In this lesson, we're going to relate terminating fractions and decimals. Remember, terminating means that it comes to an end. So here are 3 examples of terminating decimals. We want to convert the fraction 2/10 to a decimal. So I'm going to use the place value chart to help me. I'm going to write a 2 in the 10ths place value. I have nothing in the ones, and I have no hundredths or thousandths in my decimal either. So my place value chart has helped me to write 2/10 as a decimal. That looks like this. So 2/10 as a decimal is equivalent to 2/10 as a fraction. I want to convert the fraction 3/4 to a decimal. You'll notice fourth is not one of the place values that we have in our chart. So first we'll have to make an equivalent fraction that is out of tenths or hundredths or thousandths before we can put it in the chart. There is no number we can multiply 4 by to make 10, so we are going to make 3/4 into an equivalent fraction out of hundredths before we can change it to a decimal. So remember, 3/4 can also be said as 3/4. Thinking about money, 3/4 would be 75 cents. That's the same as 75 hundredths. So 3/4 or 3/4 is equivalent to 75 hundredths, and now we're able to write that into our place value chart. So the 75 needs to finish off in the hundredths place, so we'll put the 5 in the hundredths and then fill in. Nothing in the ones, and we have 75 hundredths. So as a decimal, 3/4 is equivalent to 75 hundredths. I want to convert the fraction 3 hundredths to a decimal. So I'm going to write the 3 in the hundredths place in my place value chart. And there's nothing in the tenths place value here, so I'm just going to use 0 as a place value holder. And then there's also no ones. So 3 hundredths written as a decimal looks like this. We want to convert the decimal 7/10 to a fraction. Now I've said the decimal properly as 7/10, so now I'm just able to write 7/10 as a fraction. We want to convert the decimal 3 57 thousandths to a fraction. So this is going to be a mixed number because we have a whole number part and we have a decimal part. So I know that I'm going to have a 3 for my whole number part, and then I need to write 57 thousandths.